Welcome to another Power BI tutorial. Today we will parameterize the folder paths, and dynamically connect our dashboard to these folders. We will learn how to use folders as data source, and how to use folder paths in Power Query parameters. In Power BI, you can connect to a folder as a data source. This is particularly useful when you have a set of files in a directory, and you want to load all of them into your Power BI report. These files can be CSV, or Excel files. When you connect to a folder, Power BI allows you to dynamically load all files within that folder. This means that if you add new files to the folder, Power BI can automatically include them in your data, without having to modify your data source settings. You can perform transformations on the files as they are loaded. For example, you can combine multiple files, filter rows, rename columns, and perform other data cleaning and transformation steps. Power BI allows you to parameterize your folder path, which means you can create a parameter that users can change to specify a different folder location, making your report flexible and reusable. You can also set up scheduled data refresh for reports that use folder as a data source. So, there are a number of benefits of using a folder as data source. Let's explore these features by using a dummy sales data. Here we have two folders containing data of sales from two different stores. Each folder has 6 Excel files containing monthly sales. The file outside also contains sales, but we will use this file later. In this scenario, each store updates their folder after the end of the month with their sales data. We will create a dashboard in Power BI that will use data from both folders. Instead of creating dashboard for each store, same dashboard will be used for both stores. We will create a mechanism to switch data from one store to the other. We will go to the Get Data and click on the More button. From Get Data window, we will select the folder and press Connect. In the prompt box, we will enter the URL of our folder. We can either browse or paste our folder path here. We will just paste the path and press the OK button. In the next window, we will click on the Transform Data button. This will take us to the query editor. In the query editor, we will expand the content column. This will give us the option to choose the tables. Let's select the Sheet 1, and press OK. This will load the Sheet 1, from all files. We will rename the Sales Store 1, to Sales. After reviewing the data, we will click on the Close and Apply button, to load data into the Power BI desktop. Wait for the Power BI to load the data. Now we have all the fields in our data pane. Before starting our dashboard, let's set the format of our sales column. This will make the amounts easy to read. First, we will add a card to our dashboard to display total sales at the top of the dashboard. We will change the display unit to thousands. And we will turn off the category label as well. Finally, we will place it at the top right corner of the dashboard. Now, we will right-click on the sales table, and click on the Edit Query. In the Query Editor, we will create a new parameter. In the Manage Parameters window, in the Name field, we will enter Path. In the Suggest Values, we will select the list of values. In the list of values, we will enter the paths of both folders. We will select one of the paths as default and current value. Finally, we will click OK to create the parameter. We will also check the Enable Load option for this parameter. This will make the parameter available in the dashboard. We can now close and apply the query editor to load the data in the Power BI desktop. We will now go to the table view, and in the path table, which is the parameter, we will create another column. In this column, we will extract the name of the store. In our path, the last 13 characters are the name of the store. We will use the write function to extract the last 13 characters. Now we have the store name. In the report view, we will add another card to our dashboard. We will add the store field to the fields area of the card. And turn off the category label of this card as well. We will place this card at the top left corner of the dashboard. Now, we will link the path parameter to our sales table, so that every time its value is chosen, the data source also changes. We will once again go to the query editor. In the query editor, we will right-click on the sales query, and open it in the Advanced Query Editor. In the Advanced Query Editor, we will replace the fixed path string with the path parameter. After we are done, we will press the Done button to close the Advanced Editor, and then close and apply Query Editor as well. Now, every time we change the path, these cards should update as well. We can change the path from Edit Parameter button in Transform Data menu. After pressing OK, we need to apply the changes. This will only update sales. To update the store name, we must refresh the data as well. Now, we will add a line and bar chart to our dashboard. In the column Y-axis, we will add the sales field, and in the line Y-axis, we will add the units field. In the X-axis field, we will add months and years from the date hierarchy. In the small multiples area, we will add the product field. We will change number of rows to 3, and number of columns to 1, in small multiples. Next, we will add a column chart to our dashboard. In the X-axis, we will add the month and year from the date hierarchy. Sales field will be added to the Y-axis. And the products field will be added to the legend area. We can move months above the year to display the months. We will duplicate the same chart to display units instead of sales. We will just replace the sales field with the units field. Finally, we will add a pie chart to display sales by products. We will add the product field to the legend area, and the sales field to the values area. We will duplicate the same chart, to display number of units by product, by replacing the sales field, with the units field. We can use the edit parameter, to change the folder path, and update the dashboard. Remember to apply changes, and refresh the data, after editing the parameter. Now, assume that Store 1 has completed their data of July, and provided it to you. What will you do to update this data in your dashboard? Well, since you are using the folder as data source, you can simply place it in the relevant folder, and refresh the dashboard. As you can see, the data of July has been added into your visuals. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.